The cloudy hands practice activates the right and the left side of the brain in the same time. The left and the right side of the brain, as the science specifies, are responsible for the emotional and logical sides of the brain. And that means simply that when we think of something, if we feel like doing what we think, then our brain is aligned with the action. The cloudy hands exercise is very simple, but very, very deep, because while we focus on our center, we activate both sides of the brain. Now I will explain what we do. First, we open the legs 2 times the distance of our shoulders. The Kung Fu position is called Ma Bu, and we are centered here. We place the left hand on the abdomen, and we work first with the right hand. The right hand describes a sphere by describing the 2 circles that surround the sphere. So we start with the right hand and we do a vertical center to the left, and as you notice, I placed my weight on the left leg right now. I turn my right hand and I shift my weight on the right leg while I'm turning and keeping the right hand in front of me. And then I continue with a circle. If you notice, if you imagine that around us, around our body, there is a circle, there is a sphere of energy, the right hand, as it goes on a horizontal plane, it goes on the equator of the sphere, and then it goes back on the south pole of the sphere. So altogether, the hand describes a semicircle around a sphere. Then we change. We work with the left hand. Left hand moves to the right, and then left hand moves to the left, and so on. And we repeat this exercise in the daily routine. We repeat it 8 times with each hand. When we finished 8 times with each hand, we add the other hand. So we work with both hands in the same time. And the hands will meet on the left and on the right side of our body, and then each one describes a circle. As you can see, the hands are always on the same meridian. So here, then here, then here they meet. Then, again, they meet on the left side. They meet on the right side, and then on the left side. Back has to be always straight. Your back rotates around the spine only. So I turn to the left, I shift, I turn to the right. If we focus on our legs only, legs will be parallel, feet parallel, and I shift to the right and I turn. I shift to the left and I turn, while I'm keeping always my back straight. So this exercise is a full body workout if done properly. You can go as low as possible and you can work as slow as possible, and this way we activate all our main points. First the ankles, then the knees, then the hips, then the spine, the shoulders work, as you can see, and the neck rotates. So all our main points in the body are becoming more flexible and of course more relaxed. Now on the mental side of this exercise, we can play with our awareness by placing our awareness in different parts of the sphere. It can be inside our body, it can be outside our body. So for example, when we start, we place the awareness in our lower abdomen, we start moving the hands, we start rotating, and then as we let go of our thoughts, because this is the consequence, the main consequence of this exercise is to let go of our thoughts and emotions. And I challenge you to try doing this exercise by starting with a thought that bothers you, and try to keep that thought in mind and practice, and then see how long it takes for you to let go of that thought or of that emotion. Now, when we place our awareness inside our lower abdomen, then we place our awareness on top of our body, and with your eyes closed, you can see yourself practicing from a different perspective, from the observer perspective. I hope you enjoy this exercise and try to practice it every day, as it is one of the main Key Train method let go practices. Thank you.